Hey, this is Paul from Wondershare MobileTrans, and today's video we're going to be helping you with a question that we get asked a lot here on MobileTrans, and that is how you can get your photos from your iPhone over to your computer. And there's usually loads of different reasons why you might want to actually do this, and some of those reasons might just be that you need to make sure you've got a really good backup of all of your photos because you might have some really cherished memories that you've taken on your phone, and sometimes just for security you want to make sure that you never lose them and you always know where they are. But do not worry, because this is a nice and easy process, and we will give you some really good, easy ways to be able to do this in today's video. But as always, if you are new here to the channel, then why not subscribe to the video, give it a like, and then make sure you turn on that notification bell as well to make sure you don't miss any of the videos that we have coming up for you in the next couple of weeks. And if you've done all of that, well, let's get into today's video. Let's introduce you to the best piece of software to help you move those photos from your iPhone to your computer. And I'm sure you would have heard of this before. It's the name of the channel. It's a piece of software called MobileTrans. MobileTrans allows you to transfer your phone data quickly and effortlessly. But MobileTrans just isn't limited to transferring photos. It's a versatile tool that supports data transfer between over 6,000 devices, whether you're switching from iPhone to Android or vice versa. You can even transfer data between your computer and your device, and MobileTrans has you covered. The best thing about MobileTrans is that it is really simple and easy to use, and the user interface makes it even easier than some of those other pieces of software that you may have seen. So let me just show you the straightforward ways to do this to get your photos from your iPhone onto your computer. Start by launching Wondershare MobileTrans on your computer and head over to the Phone Transfer tab. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a suitable cable, and once connected, click the Export to Computer option on the screen that follows. Select photos as the specific data type you want to transfer. After choosing photos, you can now select the specific images you want to transfer, and just take your time to make sure your selections are right. And once ready, just click on the Export button. Then you sit back, relax, and wait for MobileTrans to do its thing, and it shouldn't take too long depending on the amount of photos that you have selected. Another really good way to get your photos from your iPhone to your Windows PC is again just by using that USB cable. This is going to be the easiest possible way. And did you know, if you have a Windows PC, there is an app that is built right into the system, and it is that Photos app. And it's again really simple, quick and easy to do. So let me show you this method to get your photos from your iPhone to your Windows PC. Start by connecting your phone to your computer using a USB cable, and then once connected, launch the Windows Photos app and look for the import option located at the top corner of the app's interface. Click on it and you'll be presented with two choices. Choose the option that says from a connected device. The Photos app will now detect your connected iPhone and provide you with access to its photos. Just take a moment to browse through your iPhone photo collection and select the specific images you want to import to your computer. Once you've made the selections, click on the Import Items button to begin the easiest way to get photos off your iPhone. To make sure you can get your photos from your iPhone to your Windows PC, there are numerous options, and we've spoke about two of them already, but there is a third way that you can use your Windows PC to get those photos from your iPhone to your computer, and it is just using that Windows Explorer that is built into every single Windows computer, and it's a really simple, easy, fast and efficient method to do so. So let me show you exactly what you need to do for this method. Begin by connecting your phone to your computer, and once connected, open Windows Explorer to access the internal storage of your iPhone. Look for and double click on the DCIM folder, which contains your iPhone photos. Inside this DCIM folder, you'll find photos stored on your iPhone. Select those images you want to transfer to your computer, and to do this, you can either click on each photo whilst holding the Control key, or use the Control A shortcut to select all the photos in that folder. Now navigate to the desired location on your computer where you want to transfer the photos, right click again, and then just choose Paste, and this will initiate that transfer of your photos from your iPhone to your computer. Okay, let's move on to how you can get your photos off your iPhone to your computer wirelessly, and there might be a couple of reasons that you might want to do this wirelessly. A, you might have a broken USB port on your phone, which is an absolute nightmare and expensive to fix, Or you might have a problem with some of your USB ports on your computer, but not to worry, because there are ways that we can do this. And one of the best and easiest ways on an iPhone to get your photos over wirelessly is to make sure you use iCloud. And let me show you what you need to do, because this is a really quick, simple fix and just takes a couple of seconds. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen and select iCloud. On the following screen, locate and tap Photos in the Photos section and then toggle the option that says Sync this iPhone. This will initiate the sync process, uploading your iPhone photos to iCloud. Once that's completed, go to the iCloud website using a browser and log into your iCloud account. Click Photos and select the desired photos and use the download icon to download them to your PC. One of the problems with using that last method is that sometimes you need to have more space on your iCloud and you have to pay for that storage. So maybe you have more photos than you have storage, but that is not a problem either, because there is another way to wirelessly get your iPhone photos to your PC. And it's a really simple way, actually, which you might not have thought about, but it is to just send an email with those photos attached. This method might take a bit longer to select all those photos, but it is pretty simple. So let me show you the steps you need to take. Select the Mail app on your iPhone and tap New Message. When you're typing that new message, you need to go and select an attachment, which you can do from the bottom of the screen. You now need to tap on it to access additional options and then select the Photos icon, and this will allow you to access and upload photos from your phone's photo library. Once you've chosen all of those photos, and remember, take your time to pick the right ones, proceed to send the email to the correct person, and this could even just be your own email address. Now, on a computer, log into your email account through a web browser, locate the email you sent from your iPhone and open it. Within the email, you'll find the attached photos and look for the download icon to download the attached photos to your computer. This next method is for people that have a Mac only, so with a Windows PC, this just cannot work. But within iPhone and the Apple ecosystem, there's an option called AirDrop, which allows you to wirelessly and quickly transfer photos and other files from an iPhone to a Mac or a Mac to an iPhone. And this is one of those easiest ways to send all of those photos, as many photos as you like, doing it wirelessly. So let me show you exactly what you need to do to send over your photos wirelessly using AirDrop from your iPhone. You need to make sure that both your iPhone and Mac have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. Then, on the Photos app on your iPhone, you need to go and select the photos you need to transfer. Once you've selected your photos, tap the Share button, which looks like a square with an arrow pointing upward. In the sharing options that appear, you then need to look for the AirDrop option. You'll see a list of available devices nearby, including your Mac, so select your Mac from the AirDrop options. On your Mac, you'll receive a notification asking if you want to accept the incoming AirDrop transfer. Click Accept to initiate that transfer process. If you have an iPhone or an iPad and you need to make sure you want those photos transferred from those devices to your Mac, there's a really simple, easy way, and that is using the Photos app built into the Mac. And it only takes a couple of minutes to do this, so let me show you what you'd need to do. Connect your iPhone or iPad to the Mac using a USB cable and open the Photos app on your Mac. The Photos app will automatically launch an import screen that displays all the photos and videos available on your device. If the import screen doesn't appear automatically, you can click on the device's name in the sidebar. Choose the destination for your imported photos in the import screen, and you'll find a section labeled Add To, where you can select an existing album to import the photos into or create a new album from them. Now either use Import Selected or click Import All New Photos to transfer those photos. And that is it. That is how you can move your photos from an iPhone over to a Mac or a Windows PC. And remember, one of the best ways to do this was to use that third-party piece of software called MobileTrans, because it is quick, efficient, easy to use, and it can guide you through it step by step. So if you enjoyed today's video, then give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and of course turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos that we upload on the channel. So if you've done all of that, then we will see you in the next video.